Welcome back, Sim Tribe. Today we're going to answer the question, what is Stop the Bleed? The number one cause of preventable death after injury is bleeding. Stop the Bleed is a collaborative program led by the American College of Surgeons Committee on Trauma in association with the American College of Emergency Physicians, the National Association of Emergency Medical Technicians, and the Committee on Tactical Combat Casualty Care. The goal of the project is to bring knowledge of bleeding control to the public. The ACS drives the simulation-based program with the Stop the Bleed certification. This program is free in many locations. It takes a long time for emergency services to gain access to the sites where tragedies or workplace injuries occur. It only takes a few minutes for a person to lose critical volumes of blood. Comment below with the name of a movie or TV show where severe bleeding was a challenge and if Stop the Bleed could have helped. The public is closest to the injury, so the public and first responders are extremely important in the prevention of massive blood loss. Following the loss of 20 children and 8 adults in 2012 from a tragic mass shooting at Sandy Hook Elementary School and the bombing of the Boston Marathon, a team was formed to develop the Hartford Consensus. This team evaluated best practices as well as polling the public to find out what would be possible. One poll showed that 95% of the public would be willing to help out in bleeding events. Additional feedback showed that the public would be willing to give about an hour of their time to learn these critical skills. The course borrowed liberally from the Military Tactical Combat Casualty Care, or TC3 program. The goal of the project is to train 200 million people, and as of this recording, over 1 million have been trained. Another goal is to get a bleeding control kit and instructions posted in every single car. The Committee on Trauma has done an outstanding job of getting this curriculum into 123 different countries. You can find a link below in the description to help you find a Stop the Bleed course near you, or click the video here to learn how to apply a tourniquet and stop the bleed.